Hello, this is Shusmita Shyama from Baneebee. Today we are going to learn the names of the days of the week. So let's begin. We are going to listen to a girl. Her name is Mori and she is going to talk about her plans for some of the days of the week. Okay, so this is her name, Mori, and she's saying, আজ শুক্রবার, আজ আমার office বন্ধ. So the same thing is written here with the English letters, and on the third line it's written in English. So this is the English meaning of these lines. Then she's saying again, আগামীকাল শনিবার, আগামীকালও আমার অফিস বন্ধ, which means tomorrow is Saturday, my office will be closed tomorrow as well. So here agamikal means tomorrow, and when she says agamikalo amar office bondho, this o indicates as well or to or also. So when we join this o with agamikal, that means agamikal also her office will remain closed, because she has already said aaj amar office bondho, that means today my office is closed. Agamikal, that means tomorrow my office will be closed as well. So this o means also. Okay, now the third line, porshudin robibar, porshudin robibar, porshu amar office khola. So the meaning of this is the day after tomorrow is Sunday, my office will be open on the day after tomorrow. So porshudin means the day after tomorrow, and porshu also means the day after tomorrow. Porshu is just a shortened form of porshudin. Now let's do an exercise. So it's the same dialogue, but there are some gaps here and you are supposed to fill in the gaps. She says aaj, and then there is the gap, aaj amar office bondho. And the English meaning of this is today is Friday. That means you are supposed to fill in the gap with the Bangla for Friday. If you have forgotten what is the Bangla for Friday, no problem, just go back to the previous slide, learn the name again, and then fill in the gap. I think the best way to do it is just copy this entire thing on your notebook and then fill in the gap on your notebook. Okay, so now we are going to learn the pronunciation of all the 7 names of the 7 days of the week. First one is Sunday, because here in Bangladesh our week starts with Sunday. It's not a holiday here, it's not the day off, so it's one of our weekdays. Our week starts from Sunday. Robibar means Sunday, Sombar means Monday, Mongolbar means Tuesday, Budbar means Wednesday, Brihoshpotibar means Thursday, Shukrobar means Friday, Shonibar means Saturday. Now here is another exercise for you. This is exercise number 2. Here you are supposed to match the items on the left side with the items on the right side. So you can see Robibar, so that means you will have to attach the Robibar with the English meaning. So does Robibar mean Thursday or Sunday or Friday? So you will have to match it accordingly. So yeah, that was exercise number 2, and now this is exercise number 3. You can see here it says aaj shukrobar, aaj amar office bondho. Again the same thing here, the same lines, but now the English lines are missing. So you are supposed to translate this, but not the entire lines. You just need to give me the English word for aaj, for agamikal, for porshudin, and for porshu. So all these 3 words you are supposed to translate. Okay, so yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to ask your questions in a forum, then you can join our Facebook group. You can also be a part of our Instagram community, and you just need to search with the name Learn Bengali with Baneebee and you will find the groups there. See you in the next lesson. Bye.